Hey, we're in deep right now. We just got hacked. What? Why do you think that? Remember the accounting records I sent over? Yeah? Well, they're not there anymore. What do you mean? Well, I sent them over this morning, but they didn't reach our server. They're gone. Wait, how big was the file? Around 5 gigabytes. Why? Oh, what? We weren't hacked, dumbass. The file was too big. It was just poorly transferred. Oh, what do we do now? Well, why don't we just secure the file transfer? But I don't know about file security. Do you? Hell no. But we can just use a secure protocol that manages the transfers properly. What? Yeah. You can use a platform like Kiteworks to make sure every single file transfer is secure. But what if it's too big again? Trust me, this handles all high-volume transfers. Watch this. Fine. But this better work. Look at that. Our entire files are cured. Plus, the file properly got transferred, even though it's huge. Wait, this is actually working. We might not be screwed after all. Told you, this is perfect for situations where you need private content to be secured. It's like a bodyguard for your content. All right, let's get all of the files secured before we start losing more data. And just like that, we're done. I can't believe we became secured in just a minute. Exactly. Try Kiteworks today.